Hello, everyone. I'm Aisha, and you are tuned into the 708th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Our first story today examines the critical intersection of labor reforms and social security. An opinion piece in Live Mint discusses the implications of the 4 new labor codes with a specific focus on the urgent need for formalized unemployment insurance. The article argues that as the economy evolves, market failures can lead to job losses that leave workers vulnerable, making a safety net essential. It highlights that while the Social Security Code provides a framework, the current offerings, such as the Atal Bima Vyakti Kalyan Yojana, are limited in scope and duration. The author advocates for a more robust, structured job loss insurance system that can provide genuine financial stability during periods of economic transition, emphasizing that this is not just a welfare measure, but a necessary component of modern resilient labor market. Moving on to our next story, we look at a major regulatory intervention aimed at protecting policyholders. The government is preparing to overhaul health insurance rules to curb arbitrary practices by both hospitals and insurance companies. In a bid to restore trust, which has eroded due to rising premiums and claim settlement delays, a special committee is being formed to review the entire claims and grievance redressal mechanism. The report indicates that the focus will be on bringing transparency to treatment costs and regulating the tariff systems to prevent exorbitant billing by hospitals. This move is designed to bridge the gap between the cost of medicine and the insurance payout, ensuring that patients are relieved of financial burdens and that the insurance ecosystem becomes more reliable and consumer-friendly. Our third story focuses on an interesting expansion in the financial distribution space. Leading non-banking financial company, Muthoot Finance, has announced its plans to enter the insurance distribution sector. By leveraging its vast and widespread network, the gold loan giant aims to tap into the underserved segments of the market. This strategic foray is expected to enhance insurance penetration across the country, particularly in Tier 2 and Tier 3 regions, where Muthoot already has a strong footprint, offering customers a wider array of financial products under one roof. Our final story spotlights a digital leap by the country's largest insurer. The Life Insurance Corporation of India, or LIC, has launched 2 new mobile applications, My LIC and Super Sales Sathi, aimed at boosting digital insurance services. These apps are designed to empower agents and streamline the sales process, making it more efficient and tech-driven. This initiative marks a significant step in LIC's digital transformation journey, aiming to enhance the overall customer experience and speed up service delivery in an increasingly competitive market. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.